How to lock WhatsApp chat. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock your WhatsApp chat and keep your conversations secure. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and select the chat you want to lock. Tap on the contact or group name at the top. Scroll down and find the chat lock option. Tap on it. And enable Lock this chat with Fingerprint on Android or Face ID on iPhone. If prompted, authenticate using your Fingerprint or Face ID. Once enabled, the chat will move to the Locked Chats folder for added privacy. To access Locked Chats, go to the main chat screen and swipe down to reveal the Locked Chats folder. Tap on it and unlock with your Fingerprint or Face ID. If you ever want to remove the lock, open the chat settings and turn off Chat Lock. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.